Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee foam. To begin, ensure you have a clean frothing pitcher and a reliable thermometer. Selecting the right milk is crucial. Fresh, cold whole milk, or a high-fat plant-based option works best. You'll want to heat your milk to an optimal temperature range, specifically between 140 and 155 degrees Fahrenheit, to achieve the perfect texture and sweetness. This initial preparation sets the stage for excellent foam. Now let's explore various frothing techniques. If using an espresso machine, position the steam wand just below the milk's surface to introduce air, then submerge it for heating. For a French press, pump the plunger up and down vigorously for about 30 to 60 seconds until the milk doubles in volume. A handheld frother or even a simple whisk can also create decent foam by rapidly incorporating air into the warm milk. Each method offers unique advantages for different equipment. Achieving perfect foam involves a delicate balance. Initially, incorporate air for only about 3 to 5 seconds to build volume, listening for a paper-tearing sound. Then, submerge the frother deeper to create a swirling vortex, smoothing out any large bubbles into a glossy microfoam. Gently tap the pitcher on the counter to release remaining bubbles, then swirl the milk. Finally, pour steadily and confidently to craft impressive latte art designs. Even with practice, you might encounter challenges. If your foam is too thin, ensure you're incorporating enough air at the beginning and that your milk is at the correct temperature. For overly bubbly foam, try tapping the pitcher more vigorously and swirling longer. If you lack specialized tools, simply whisk warm milk by hand or shake it vigorously in a sealed jar for about 60 seconds. Always serve your frothed milk immediately to enjoy its best texture and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.